Welcome, dear friends, to a journey of inner balance, serenity, and groundedness through the art of Qigong. Today, we embark on a quest to explore the ancient art of Qigong, a practice that connects us to the very essence of the universe. In a world that often pulls us in 100 directions, finding our center can feel like a distant dream. But through Qigong, with its mindful movement, breathing techniques, and intention, lies a path to rediscover our roots and ground ourselves in the present moment. Let's begin today with this grounding Qigong practice to help us stay grounded and connected to our center throughout the day. You don't need any equipments, just your own time, space, and the intention that you want to set for today's practice. So, if you're ready, let's begin. Hello, my dear friends, welcome. Today, let's begin our Qigong practice by centering ourselves and putting our intention for groundedness. Let's begin with our Tanchong. Feet are grounded with 10% tension. Feet are open at shoulder width apart. Knees are slightly bent. Sacrum dropping to the earth. And as you inhale, feel your spine connecting to heaven through your crown point. You can put your hand on your lower dantian, located 3 fingers below the navel. From here, let's begin our cleansing breath by inhaling, feeling your belly, feel your ribs, feel your chest. And as you exhale, exhale from the pinhole of your mouth, exhaling what no longer serves you as you connect to the center of your being. Do this on your own for a few rounds. Try to exhale longer than your inhale. So you can count as you inhale 4 seconds, and you can count 8 seconds as you exhale. As you do this, feel your feet rooted down to the earth. Connect yourself to the present moment. Become aware of your breath. Observe it. Listen to your body. Allow the space and time to be your sacred moment. And anything that is not in the space right now, let them go. Let them be, and just be here and now. And now go back to your normal breathing and just relax your hands to the side as we begin to shake it out. In this exercise, just be free. Shake out anything that no longer serves you, any tension, any thoughts, any emotions. Just let it go. If there is any tension in your body, this is the best time to release it. You can twist your torso, squeezing out to your organs, releasing any stagnations in your organs, and twisting towards the other side. And just come back to center. Shake it out. You can lift your arms. Continue shaking, making sure you're shaking through every joint. And you can lift your arms all the way up and release back down. Feel free to play around with this. If you feel like you have so much energy in you that you need to release, you can shake bigger. Or if you need to preserve and reserve your energy, then you can shake a little bit more gentler. And now you can shift your weight towards one leg and begin to shake the other leg. Come back to center and begin to shake towards the other side. And just come back to center. Continue shaking it out. And now begin to shake smaller and faster. And as you release, exhale, compressing the energy in the center of your palms. And as you inhale, feel it expand. And again, exhale, compress. Inhale, expand. And let's do one more round. Now, as you exhale, come back to center and slowly shift your palms up just in front of your lower dantian, as if you're carrying an invisible energy ball. Now, while you're in this posture, continue to connect to the energy of the earth through the soles of your feet. See if your knees are still softly bent, sacrum dropping towards the earth, and feel your spine connecting to heaven through your crown point. And as you gather your hands, remind your body to relax. See if you're using any tension that you don't need. From here, lift your palms up to chest level and then extend it forward, palms facing towards you as if you're hugging an invisible tree. Relax your shoulders, elbows slightly lower than your hands. Make sure your fingers are all facing each other. Listen to your body. Feel the energy flowing from your palms to your arms to your chest. If you feel a little fatigue, feel free to put your arms down or do a little shaking it out. However, if you're lifting your arms, feel free to release any excess tension. As you connect and feel the energy within you, also feel and connect to the energy surrounding you and surrender to it. In that way, you release any excess tension from your muscles. And anytime this feels too complicated, just remind yourself to relax. When challenges come, it is the best time when we can comprehend whether we are just pushing through because of ego, or when it is time to follow our hearts and follow our flow and let it go. When we just follow our flow, you will not notice time, and now it's time to release. Push down the energy towards the earth. And let's begin our throwing away the trash Qigong. Begin by sinking down to the earth, and as you rise up, feel the energy coming from the earth, rising up to your body all the way up. As you lift up to your toes, and as you release with your torso, your arms relax, and let's do it again. Rising up, connecting to the energy of both heaven and earth, and as you release, use your torso to let it go. Arms without tension. And when we say use your torso to let it go, it doesn't mean that you have to use force. It just means that use the energy coming from the center of your body to let it go as your hands fall freely. Let's do this for a couple more rounds. With more control, more awareness of the center of our body. As you let go, continue to connect your sacrum towards the earth. Knees are strong and not collapsing inwards. And as you rise up, feel the energy coming from the earth to your feet as your body expands all the way up, feeling the connection of heaven through your byway or crown point. And just finish one last round and stand up again to your tanjong, hands in your lower dantian. See if your knees are still softly bent, sacrum dropping towards the earth. Feel your spine connect to heaven through your crown point. You're doing great so far. Now let's move on to our next Qigong exercise, separating heaven and earth. Begin by just opening to wider than shoulder width apart. Sink as low as you can. Gather your hands in the middle. Upper hand hovering over your sternum, lower hand hovering over the middle of your abdomen. From here, connect to the center of your palms as you expand. Once you reach the shoulders and the lower dantian, flip the hands towards the opposite direction and then begin to stretch the arms outwards. Keep the hands cupped, and now flip the upper hand as your gaze follows all the way down. Now do the same thing on the other side. Expand, flip, stretch. As you stretch, you're going to tilt your body forward and rotate from your hips sideways. Flip the hands in, followed by your gaze as your body tilts forward. And gather. Now let's do this for a few more rounds, following your own breath, following your own rhythm. Let's just finish by evening out each side. From here, slowly gather a small energy ball in the center of your palms and start to rotate it outwards. Make sure the center of your palms stay connected. The initiator of this movement comes from our lower dantian. So as you feel the smoothing out of the chi in the center of your palms, you connect to your lower dantian, your life source. So if you feel like you need more grounding, you always connect back to your lower dantian. Just stay here in this moment. If there are any thoughts that arises, just allow them to flow. Let them be. You can also reverse the rotation of your chi ball if you haven't. Just a few more rounds here. And now let it go. We'll go back to our standing Qigong Tanzhong. Let's close. As you inhale, rise up, circle up. And exhale, push it down to the center line of your body, pushing it down to the earth. Relax here for a moment. Let's do it again. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, push it down. Last one. Inhale, circling up, rising up. Exhale, pushing it down to the center line of your body. Releasing it down towards the earth. And now, just relax. Let's open up to our Wuji stance and let's do some fork-gate breathing. As you inhale, feel the energy expand in your lower dantian. As you exhale, feel it in the center of your palms and the center of your feet. You can choose just to feel it in the center of your palms if you need be. And from here, let's gather our hands into our lower dantian, putting the energy back to our life source, where it all began. Just connect here for a moment, listen to your breath. Now we will begin to pack the chi. As you inhale, feel the energy in your lower dantian expand. As you exhale, feel it condense. Do this at your own pace, remembering the intention that you have set in this practice, feeling the connection of the energy of the earth through your feet, feeling the energy of heaven connecting to your crown point. We'll stay here for a while. Check your Tanzhong alignments. Are your knees still softly bent? Is your sacrum still dropping towards the earth? Relax your shoulders. Relax your chest. Feel your spine expanding, connecting to heaven through your crown point. Now, if you're ready to end your practice here with me, feel free to follow. Otherwise, feel free to stay here in your Tanzhong. Begin to become aware of your surroundings, of any sensations in your skin, the sounds around you, the taste of your tongue. Slowly open your eyes and release your hands. Thank you for joining this practice with me today. You did a wonderful job, and we'll see you again next time. Hello again, my wonderful friends. As you are wrapping up today's practice, I just want to express again my sincere gratitude and appreciation for your presence and work for today. If this video was helpful, I hope that I can ask for a small favor by clicking the like button so that more people can benefit from this video. Also, we post one video per week, so if you haven't subscribed or clicked the notification bell, please do so that you will be notified when we upload videos. If you have any suggestions or questions, please feel free to comment them in the comments section below. We try our best to answer them personally so that we can connect with you. Thank you again, and see you again on the next videos.